To make this cape, I used 100 grams of this yarn. I used the whole skein. Here you can see the specifications of this yarn. I used a 5mm crochet hook. If you need a stitch marker and scissors, let's go with a step by step. You have to start from the neck, making 70 double crochet. You can start with a chain 70 and then make one double crochet on each chain, or you can start with the chainless foundation. You start with a chain 3, and then yarn over, pass the crochet through the first chain, pull through 1, pull through 1 again, and then make the double crochet. This is the first double crochet. Then yarn over, pass the crochet through the stitch on the bottom part of the chain, pull through 1, pull through 1 again, and then make the double crochet. This is how you have to make the 70 double crochet. You will get an elastic neck. So repeat the same to have the 70 double crochet. And then to finish the first row, you have to make a slip stitch with the third chain and start the row number 2. To make the row number 2, you have to chain 1, and taking only the back loops, you can add a stitch marker if you want to know where is the beginning of the row. You have to make one single crochet, taking only the back loops in all the 70 double crochet. One single crochet on each double crochet, taking only the back loops. Once you finish the row number 2, make a slip stitch and start the row number 3 with a chain 3, and you have to make one double crochet taking only the back loops, one double crochet taking only the back loops. close with a slip stitch and start the row number 4, making 1 single crochet on each stitch, taking only the back loops, 1 single crochet on each stitch. Now you have to start on the row number 5 with the increases. You can start the row of double crochet, you can start making a chain 3, or you can pull the yarn, turn the crochet hook and make the double crochet. This is another way to start the rows with double crochet. And then you have to start making increases. You have to make 1 double crochet and then 1 increase. To make 1 increase you have to make 2 double crochet in the same space. One double crochet and continue again with another increase. This is what you have to repeat to the end, taking only the back loops. You will have to take only the back loops in all the cape, 1 double crochet and 1 increase. On the following row you have to make 1 row with single crochet, also taking the back loops. You don't have to make increases now, only 1 single crochet on each single crochet, taking the back loops. You have to make again increases. Two double crochet and 1 increase, taking only the back loops. Remember, taking only the back loops, 2 double crochet and 1 increase. Repeat the same to the end of the row. Continue now with 1 row with single crochet. If you want to make it bigger, you can continue making increases on the rows of double crochet. Here you can see the shape of the cape. In the last row of double crochet I made 2 double crochet and 1 increase. On the following row, if you want to continue making increases, you should make 3 double crochet in 1 increase. In my case, this size is perfect, so I will continue making only rows with double crochet, no increases, only double crochet, taking the back loops, and then the following rows with one row with one single crochet around, remember taking the back loops. This is what you have to repeat to the end of the skein, or to have the size of the cape that you want. One row with double crochet, one row with single crochet, taking the back loops. This is what you have to repeat to the end of the cape. And once you are at the end of the cape, you have to make one slip stitch, and you can cut the yarn and fasten off. And you finished your cape. Here you can see two capes that I made with two different colors.